Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another Tipex nail tutorial because I absolutely love them. These are from Beetles. I will have everything linked down below for you all with a 10% discount as well. So these are pretty much full coverage nails that are made out of acrylic, that are pre-etched, pre-sculpted, and have an instant apex. 250 pieces along with 12 different sizes. So as you can see here, I have utilized some from the last video I made with these, but you could just easily size out your nail. And as you can see, they are literally made out of acrylic, pre-etched already and pre-sculpted, and they just fit so beautifully on the nail. So I'm just going to start by removing the nails that I will be applying. And remember, when choosing out your nails, make sure that they fit perfectly sidewall to sidewall. If they happen not to, you can always go around the cuticle area and maneuver it with your nail file. And also, I like how it's very sturdy towards the free edge of the nail, but the cuticle area is more on the softer side, which is excellent just because it gives that plush finish look. So anyways, I'm just going to go right in this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't already.
Thank you guys so much once again.
And the first thing is we do need some nail preparation. My cuticle pusher. So you just gently push back the cuticle, making sure to be very gentle, extra complex and gentle when it comes to the cuticle, just because it's extremely sensitive and you don't want to hurt or torture it in any way.
Gently push back. You can also always utilize a cuticle remover beforehand, let it sit for a little bit, or you can soak your hands, whatever you want.
I'm just gonna go ahead and dust these off. And now I'm gonna go in with my cuticle nippers. Make sure that they have a very sharp pointed edge, and be very careful while using these. Apply them onto your skin at a 45-degree angle, and as you get the skin precisely, you're pushing back, never forward, always backwards. You'll see me here pushing back. And take your time. These things are better done slowly instead of it being rushed. If you miss any spots, just go back and just remember 45-degree angle and push back. And this is how my teacher taught me at nail school. So shout out to her. Start on the other side. And it's the same thing. Might be a little bit too far from the camera, but if you got any hangnails, make sure to get rid of them.
When you feel any type of pain, don't even press down the cuticle nipper. Just release it. And one thing that I do to avoid cutting the cuticle area.
Using my Pana 100-180 grip file, I will be using the smoother side instead of the rougher grip, because I'm just gonna lightly shape my nails. So that is what they are looking like so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this rougher side of the buffer to remove the surface, the shine off the surface of my nail beds. So you just have to do it gently. This is going to make sure that your nail bed is used as grip from the roughness. And I apply and do the prep, the nail prep. When I go in, I apply the dehydrator and the primer. So here, first I'm gonna go on over and apply a nail dehydrator, and a nail dehydrator is utilized to remove all the oils from the nails. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can always use 70, 90 isopropyl alcohol, or you can use alcohol. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it just one time, or you can do it twice, whatever you think is best. And this is the one I've been using, and it's honestly great and cheap. Everything you see here that I'm utilizing in the video is available in my Amazon storefront. Everything is going to be linked down below. Now we're moving on to the nail primer, which this is more of a tacky layer because it's what's going to adhere the artificial enhancement. You just literally need one and one only. Next, we're gonna go on over with the Beetles base gel. Since it's a Beetles product that I'm using, I decided I'm using everything Beetles. Just a thin layer. And this is gonna help as adhesion when I apply the artificial nails. I really recommend everybody to go try those tip packs. They're really affordable and they're literally the best, and they don't come off unless you want them to. And that's what I love about this era, that the nail industry has just made it so easy. In any aspect of life, it's just so easy to do anything now yourself and not have to spend a ton of money. So you're gonna go ahead and cure it under your UV lamp for 30 seconds when it comes to base gel. And apply the nail glue. This is a multi-use Beetles nail gel glue, and pretty much you can use it to adhere your rhinestones, charms, or nails. So, but I will be utilizing my Beetles rhinestone gel because I already have it. And I wanna just keep this one for adhering the nails. And I also have the lamp that the kit comes with, and what's really neat about it is just that the light automatically turns on once you place your finger, so there's no worries. When it comes to applying the amount of glue, you only need a pea size, and it goes a long way because you want to make sure it doesn't get on your skin when you're placing it on the cuticle at a 45-degree angle. So a pea size is all that you need. I'll show you here. You put it at the free edge, at the literal starting point of your cuticle and at a 45-degree angle, and you start pressing down to avoid any air bubbles. Because when you have air bubbles, you have a higher chance of your nails popping off, lifting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cure it under the lamp. There is no air bubbles, and there is no glue touching my skin that could later on irritate it. So I'm gonna try to avoid that. what they look like. I am gonna go on over and cut them down.
Jerry still has the same number, right, babe?
Mm-hmm.